Okay, so now I'm in Uluwatu, Bali, at a place called Sunday Beach Resort. Okay, so that was the elevator. Okay, so they said I cannot use the drone at their exact specific facility. So I'm just gonna walk down the beach a little bit and do it from there. Let's take a look. To find out where Darren's gonna be next, click subscribe or follow below. Okay, the drone was a success. I had to walk all the way down to the end of the beach, but that's fine. But I'm telling you, it's 85 degrees out. Sweat just dripping off my face, on my hands, on my arms, everything. Look at my shirt. Yeah. And that's just from being out there for 10 minutes, and it's only 8 a.m. So think about that. That's how hot the sun is here in Bali, Indonesia, specifically Uluwatu. So I guess you get what you pay for. I was the first one here at 7:30 this morning, right when they opened. I got the front row for 20 bucks. Now, as you're about to see, there are probably 300 people here, maybe more, if you look in the advanced row back there. But I got front row, 20 bucks. Life is great. What a great day. So this is my seat. You know what's also really nice is that they're playing this 100, maybe 95, 100 beats per minute, deep bass music. It's perfect. They're not playing all of that annoying radio songs, the same song you've heard in every club or on the radio over and over and over. They're just playing this deep, mellow music, you know, almost something you can fall asleep to, or maybe in a coffee shop type of music, just this deep bass music. It's so perfect. The atmosphere and environment and the ambiance. This is the music that they're playing. This is what I'm talking about. Listen to this.